Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. Lecture number 3, class 7th. Title India's Superlatives. India's superlatives, largest, highest and longest. First, name the following using the help box. First one, largest. So first, largest indoor stadium. Largest indoor stadium is called Indira Gandhi Stadium. Largest indoor stadium, Indira Gandhi Stadium. Second, largest temple. Largest temple in India, Srirangam Temple. Srirangam Temple. Question number 3. Largest dome in India. Largest dome in India, Gol Gumbaz. Answer is Gol Gumbaz. Question number 4. Largest cap in India. Largest cap in India, Amarnath cap. Amarnath cap here. Fifth, largest mosque. Largest mosque in India, Jama Masjid. Jama Masjid. JAMA, Jama Masjid. Next, question number 6. Largest Gurudwara, Golden Temple. I repeat again. Largest indoor stadium, Indira Gandhi. Largest temple, Srirangam Temple. Largest dome, Gol Gumbaz. Largest cave, Amarnath cave. Largest mosque, Jama Masjid. And largest Gurudwara, Golden Temple. After that, highest in India. Highest airport in India, Leh Airport. Highest airport in India, Leh Airport. Highest dam in India, Tehri Dam. Highest gateway in India, Buland Darwaza. Highest mountain peak, K2. And highest waterfall, Jog Fall. Means highest airport in India, Leh Airport. Highest dam in India, Tehri Dam. Highest gateway in India, Buland Darwaza, Fatehpur Sikri. Highest mountain peak, K2. Highest waterfall, Jog Fall. And largest. Largest railway platform, Gorakhpur. Longest river, Ganga. Longest beach, Marina Beach. Longest glacier, Siachen. Longest glacier, Siachen. Longest road, Grand Trunk Road. Longest canal, Indira Gandhi Nahar. Longest railway platform in India, Gorakhpur. Longest river in India, Ganga. Longest beach in India, Marina Beach. Here, Marina Beach. Longest glacier, Siachen. Longest glacier, Siachen. Longest road, Grand Trunk Road. Longest canal, Indira Gandhi Nahar. After the Bharat Ratna, many famous personalities were awarded the highest civilian award for their exceptional service in different fields in India. The name of these great people who received Bharat Ratna are to be written after identify their picture. There are so many great personality awarded Bharat Ratna. Here given some pictures, identify them and write their name. First picture, APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam. Second picture, MS Subbulakshmi. MS Subbulakshmi. Third picture, S Radhakrishnan. S Radhakrishnan. I repeat again. First picture, APJ Abdul Kalam. Second picture, MS Subbulakshmi. Third, S. Radhakrishnan. Fourth picture, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Fifth, Aruna Asaf. Sixth, Nelson Mandela. Seventh, Pandit Ravi Shankar. Eighth, Lata Mangeshkar. Ninth, B.R. Ambedkar. 10th, Bhimsen Joshi. 11th, Bismillah Khan. 12th, Satyajit Roy. I repeat again. 4th, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. 5th, Aruna Asaf. 6th, Nelson Mandela. 7th, Pandit Ravi Shankar. 8th, Lata Mangeshkar. 9th, B.R. Ambedkar. 10th, Bhimsen Joshi. 11th, Bismillah Khan. And 12th, Sanjit Roy. Next one, Indian sari. Each state in India has a different types of textile design. Read the descriptions given below and identify the state to which it's belong. First, Pathani silk sari. Pathani silk sari. This sari have gold border and pallu. It is decorated with motifs of flower and vines and nariyal. They are created in Pathans located in the western part of the India. This sari belongs to Maharashtra state. Pathani silk sari belongs to Maharashtra state. Second, Patola saris. Beautifully created by skilled weavers, Patan, western region of India. This sari is quite expensive and many may cost up to 1 lakh rupees. The warp and left threads are colored and woven after typing and dyeing. Motifs of jewels, animals, flowers, etc. are used in this sari. This Patola sarees belongs in Gujarat state. Third, Banarsi sari. The exclusive varieties includes Tenchoi, Jogla, cut work tissue, etc. They are made of silkworm and silk wrapped on plain satin's ground. The name of Banarsi sari belongs to states Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh. Question number 4. Kanchivaram sari. High quality mulberry silk is used in Kanchivaram sari. Weaving is with pure gold thread in beautiful colors. Kanchivaram sarees belongs to Tamil Nadu state. Fifth, Tilia Rumal. These are interesting cotton handkerchiefs created by using numerous vegetables oils. Belongs to Andhra Pradesh. 6. Jamawar shawl. They are called the Kashmir shawl. These have intricate designs with large motifs and orient designs. The Jamawar shawls belongs to Jammu and Kashmir. Hopefully all students understands all content of this video. If you face any problem, contact my personal number. Thank you.